Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim in Hefei. Viewers, behind me you can see one big gate. Actually, this is the gate of one ancient town, and the name of this town is the Sanha Ancient Town. So we are going inside. This is 5A tourism destination, and we will go inside. We will explore the things, see that historical touch of this area, and we'll share with you. Viewers, finally we have arrived to the Sanha Ancient Town, and you can see here is one boat, very beautiful ship, and they have written here Sanha Ancient Town. This town also has the water canal through it, and around is the scenic point landscape, and many traditional huts and traditional buildings here we will see and share with you. Viewers, in the Sanha Ancient Town there is the great boating service. If you want to have the visit through this canal, then you can hire this boat and you can go through this water and can have the visit of this full town, and you can see the scenery through the water. But we have preferred to see the other things also, the street food and those things, so maybe we will choose the walking track. So there are both traveling tracks through the water and walking track also. Viewers, you can see the fame of this ancient town, and from this hustle and bustle you can imagine how much public is here. But this traditional style, these buildings, these all are the ancient time buildings, but now they are the souvenir shops, restaurants, and many kind of the things are inside. So we are just moving inside. As we will see, we will also show you. Viewers, here is one very cute shop, and one auntie is selling the caramel sugar. She has prepared the caramel sugar. She used the 2 sticks and wrap it, and then she is serving to the kids. So this is very lovely shop here. Viewers, now we are in one sweets shop, and these are the handmade sweets. So even though they have placed the sweets here to try, so these are with the milk, sugar, and some kind of the dry fruits. So very tasty sweets here. So if you come to these kind of ancient towns, you can have these kind of the sweet shops here, because these are the some traditional foods. At the first corner of this shop you can see here is one grandma, and she is preparing the beans, crushing the beans. Actually this is one statue, but this statue is that much real. Really, once you, in the first sight you cannot imagine this is one statue. Actually this look like one real grandma. Viewers, different areas of the China, they have the different kind of traditional dresses, and here we can see some traditional dresses of the different areas of the China. As you come to this town, you just can hire these dresses, can wear it, and can take your pictures. Yes, we have found one very lovely shop, and they are selling different kind of spices and also the Chinese tofu with spices. Moreover, they also have the breads, small breads, big breads, with and without meat, and also there are the vegetable filled breads also, plain bread, so you can buy from here. Viewers, now we are in another shop, and here they have made this look like some sauce, but actually there are some sauce, they add some kind of the fresh seafood inside it. These are the small fish, shrimp, and similarly here they have placed means different apply some kind of the spices and cook these fishes. Because here we have found the signature recipe of this area, and these are the rice dumplings, and they make it in the fried form. Means it look like the sambosa, means filled with material, and also they fry it. And here are some special kind of the spices as we have shown you before. Because this is really very lovely ancient town, and through the street we are enjoying so much small shops, and the old people mostly they have their own business here. All the grandma, grandfather, they are here and they are selling the products. It's really the, you can say, the one small home business. Viewers, finally we have found one Verdet recipe shop, and in this they have filled it with tofu and some seafood. So these are here, so we will buy from here. We have already said to them that give us a little, so we will taste it and we'll tell you. Viewers, finally we have bought this Verdet recipe of this area. It's really very tasty. Tastes like, outer skin tastes like sambosa, but inside filling is of tofu and shrimp, but it is very tasty. Viewers, this is really very lovely ancient town, and we have come here and we have seen so many traditional homes, small business of the people. They are selling the street food. We have enjoyed the street food also, even though we have found some halal shops from here also. So this area is really very amazing. A little far from the Hefei main city, but if you come to the Hefei, then must come to this town and you will really enjoy the culture of China. Viewers, when you travel to the ancient town, then must take this kind of juice also. This is the fresh sugarcane juice, and this is very lovely small shop. They are selling the sugarcane juice, orange juice, and watermelon juice. Also the coconut water is here. So if you feel hot, obviously when you will eat the street food, you will feel some thirst. Viewers, here is one Buddhist temple and located deeply inside this ancient town, and people are coming from outside to worship here. And you can see here is that big pot for the fragrance sticks, and behind is the temple, and there people are worshipping. Viewers, here you can see this is the folk performance, and they are bringing the dragons by beating the drums, and you see it's really very beautiful view here. Special uniform, and they are bringing the dragons there, you see, and these all are the old people. Viewers, here we have found the candy bar, and you can see big jars of the candies, bunties and different kind of the candies, toffees, colorful and very beautiful. And here are the handmade sweets, and this side is the spiced beef and you can say the seafood. Viewers, today we made you visit the ancient town and also have shown you the real culture of the China and the traditional life, the small business, street food we have tried also. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.